Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to edit your DNS records on Wix. This is critical for connecting professional email services, verifying site ownership, or pointing subdomains. These steps relate perfectly to each other to help you manage your domain's traffic directions without breaking your site. First, you need to access your control panel. Go to the domains page in your Wix account. Find the domain you want to manage, click the Domain Actions icon, the three dots, and select Manage DNS Records. This takes you to the master list of every record currently attached to your URL. Next, let's look at how to add or edit a record. Scroll down to the specific type you need, such as A, CNAME, or TXT. To add something new, click plus Add Record. If you're modifying an existing one, just hover over it and click Edit. Here is a pro tip. If a service provider tells you to put an @ sign in the host name field, Wix prefers that you leave that field blank instead. Once you've entered your details, hit Save and then Confirm by clicking Save Changes in the pop-up. The final connected step is knowing what not to touch. If you need to delete a record, click the More Actions icon next to it and select Delete. However, be extremely careful. Deleting your domain's default A or CNAME records can take your entire website offline instantly. Only remove records if you are absolutely sure they are no longer needed for your site or email to function. That is literally it. Remember that DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, so don't panic if things don't work immediately. If this guide helped you get your domain settings sorted, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you're trying to connect a specific email provider, and I will see you in the next video.